So the daytime regimen, what are you going to do after you wake up? You know, the first thing you need to clean your skin with the cleanser. So why don't you do the cleanser, the purified facial cleanser?
Okay, open this one.
Step 1, yes.
Step this one, yeah.
Yes, please.
And it's about 1 pump or 2?
Oh no, it's a little bit more because it's a cleanser. You want to clean your skin. It's new, that's why it takes so much time to.
Yeah, getting a little workout. Okay, there we go.
Okay, like maybe like a nickel size. More, I think you need a little bit more. Is it? Yes, and then you try to comfortable to cleanse your skin. It's a cleanser is very gentle. So in the morning, what you start with, you clean your skin.
Yeah. Okay.
So after you clean it, you take off with the towel.
Do you always recommend using a towel rather than?
You can spread it, when you're in the sink or you are in the, shower, but in this case, we are not to show people. I use towel, to clean my face. I feel that, it's a little better. So make sure that you clean it well. It's up to you.
Yeah, I was just wondering what you recommended. Okay. It's such a light cleaner, you can tell.
It's you are right. That the towel will give you a little bit more. I feel when I spread it on the sink or I use towel, I feel so much more cleaner.
Yeah.
To clean the skin. That's a very old traditional way. When I grow up, we all use towel to do, even wash the body or on the face. So I like my habit. I like to use towel, but for us it's much more easier. So your face is clean. The first step is finished. The second step is hydration. So the hydration part, you're concerned about anti-aging. So the dual motion. So shake it well, the bottle. The dual.
Oh, the dual motion.
Yeah, the dual. That's right. You shake it well because they combine with a little, hydroscoring oil with the product. So you shake it well and then you apply it all over, to your skin.
Does it have a lid on it? Yeah.
Yes. So you apply it all over. This is amazing product, this is a very amazing product. You know this product before, do you?
Yeah, I've been using it for the past month and a half, and I've been loving it.
It really makes, a big difference on your skin. Your skin is like hydrating right away and with a glow in your skin. So that's the second step. After you clean your skin, that's the most important step is hydrate your skin, hydrate your skin. If without that, it's nothing going to work. You never make a mistake that after you wash your face, you put moisturizer on. That would be the biggest mistake that, a lot of people that I know, they do because they skip they don't think toner will rehydrate the skin. That's as they skip it. So after the second step, rehydrate your skin and you feel that your skin is already holding the water. So step, we're going to do is find a solution to take care of your concern. Yeah. So your solution to take care of your concern, we mainly will go back to anti-aging. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. We're going to apply couple drop of the, couple pump of the biopresenter, serum.
Okay.
To target your anti-aging problem. So the first thing what we're going to do is apply that on. Great. So, but I still want you to put the Oxygen Plasma Glow on the top of this.
Okay.
Yes, because I always want your cell will get, oxygen your cell is always healthy.
So it's good to do.
Yeah, you get that on your skin. Now is the, summertime, I don't know whether you like to put the hydroxychloroquine oil on the top of this or not. If you feel that today the weather is very humid, and then you don't want to, it's up to you. But for my age, because I'm 70 years old, I will always put this product on, no matter day and night. So if you want to put it on, you can. If you don't want to, on the situation, but if the weather is really cold, it's so dry, it's no humidity, so you should put it on,
Okay.
the hydroxychloroquine on your skin.
I'm in Colorado right now, so it's a desert.
Yeah, it's very dry over there. You should put it on. So this is free product that you put it on, to solve the solution of your problem. That's what we create. This is solution of your problem. So get the anti-aging, we put the oxygen in your skin, and then we put a little oil to protect your skin. Okay, because you live in Colorado, it's very dry over there. So that's why your skin need it, and because you don't want age, okay? So then the step 4 will be nourish. You put the DNA cream over this free serum.
Which one is that?
DNA cream. This anti-aging cream. It's in the jar.
Oh, found it.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
It's a
DNA?
Yes. That's your anti-aging moisturizer.
Okay. Try the sticker off. My hands are so slippery.
Your hands too slippery with all the product on, right?
It's so funny. It's like stickers like fighting me. Come here. Okay. There we go. So many boxes.
So you apply the moisturizer on over all the serum. The moisturizer is protect the environment and your skin.
So did I put a little bit?
This is maybe too much.
Okay. So it's not a lot.
Not a lot, just a little bit. So you dab it on forehead, nose, yes, and then your cheek and your cheek and your that's it, and then you apply it on all over.
Okay.
The last step, what you're going to do, this is a daytime regimen, so I don't know whether you need to go out to the outside or not, or you stay inside. If you go outside, make sure that you wear the sun shield, our 30 sun shield. If you don't need to go out, it's up to you what you're going to do. But the last step, what we're going to do, you should using, the lip and eye cream.
Okay.
You have a smaller jar with the lip and eye cream, right? And you apply it on your eye area and your lip area.
Slippery hands. Open. Why can't I open this? Like the most slippery hands right now from touching everything.
I know, because so many cream on, that's why it's not easy to just apply a little bit on your eye area. Oh, it's too much.
Oh, that was too much. It just needs even less.
Right, it's just a little bit.
Okay.
You can apply it on your lip, and you want to apply on your eyelid. Oh, you can do that too. Like not in your eye, but the eyelid. That area is very easy to dry. That's why when we older, they all drippy on those areas because it's the area that. But when you wear a lot of makeup, sometimes maybe it's too much that, it's not good. So then your complete daytime regimen is finished now.